Let's get ready to make a money bouquet. All supplies are from the Dollar Tree: the flowers, the birthday sign, the dish, the decorative paper, everything but the money. My only suggestion would be get regular styrofoam, not this green one. This one I think is more for real flowers, so the green does shed a lot. Begin to fill your dish and start to position your money how you want. I wanted it around the base. And then you fill in with your decorative paper. Begin to trim your flowers to the length that you want. If you want them a little longer, you can, or shorter. Once you have all of those flowers cut, that's when you can then begin to position them in the styrofoam there. And it's just a lot of different positioning, however you like. I want to make your floral arrangement. Then I started folding the money up to put it within the flowers, but I did not like how it was looking, so I started from the beginning. And if you can see, I have stuff everywhere. I decided to put the larger bills in the base and then roll the smaller bills up to stick within the flowers. Get you some clear wrap paper and some pretty bows. And now you can see I'm wrapping it up here. Makes it a nice way to present money to someone. If you don't want to just stick it in a card or put it in their hands, this makes it nice and memorable. Let me know if you'll try this or what other money gift ideas have you created.